Hello. So this is one of the questions that my former student asked me. So he asked me, is 0 a natural number? What do you think? Is 0 a natural number? So he asked me that question. So first, before we will answer that question, let us define first what a natural number is. So a natural number, so what do you think are natural numbers? So traditionally, natural numbers were counting numbers. So that's traditionally, right? Natural numbers are the counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, right? 5, 6, 7, right? The counting numbers, those are natural numbers. The thing is, we never start counting with 0, right? We don't start counting like if someone would ask us to count the apples. We don't say, oh, 0 apple, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, right? We always start with 1 because 1 is the start of the counting numbers, right? We don't count with 0 apples. So you always start with 1 apple, right? So now that we know that natural numbers are traditionally counting numbers, now is 0 a natural number? Right? So is it a natural number? So historically, natural numbers is equal to a positive whole numbers. Yeah. And 0 was not included historically in the natural numbers because it must be a positive and whole numbers. And 0 is not part of that. So it was not part of natural numbers historically, right? But actually that depends, it depends on how you define 0. So when someone would ask you, is 0 a natural number? Your safest answer could be, it depends on the definition that's being used. Because in modern mathematics, especially, if you are in the set theory or if you are into computer science, natural numbers are often defined as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are natural numbers that's often defined in set theory and computer science in modern mathematics, right? That is because 0 behaves perfectly like the starting point of counting. It also makes many formulas cleaner, all right? In computer science, for example, arrays start at an index of 0. So 0 must be a natural number in computer science, right? So it really depends on where you are, how you define natural number. So because in computer science, they actually start at 0, right? So in formal mathematics, for example, natural numbers are built from sets. So 0 is defined as an empty set, and 1 is a set that contains 0, and 2 is a set containing 0 and 1. So this construction, right, requires 0 to exist first. And without 0, the whole structure collapses. All right? So who is right now? Who is right? So who is right in defining 0? So when someone asks if 0 is a natural number, and someone answers that it is, and another would answer no, it's not. So who is right? So most people think there's only one correct answer, but actually it depends, So the answer could be, it depends, no? So there's really no one correct answer. So maybe it depends on your field of expertise, all right? Especially if you are in the set theory or computer science, all right? What do you think? Is 0 a natural number? Please leave your comment below and please try to explain on why. If you say yes, try to explain, or no, please justify your answer by leaving a comment below. All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you again next time. All right. Bye.